Hey guys, long time no see. So I haven't bought anything, no money, sorry about that. But finally I bought a phone from Costco. It's the from LG G8x ThinQ. So the price is $500 and the spec I think is, I would say, enough for me and more than enough for a lot of people. I don't want to pay $2,000 or $1,500. I'd rather buy a $500 phone. Costco has it, just came out, that's great. So let's see what's inside. Alright, here we go. It's claiming to have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gig of hard drive plus a Snapdragon 855. So in my opinion, it's pretty fast. Anything faster than that is your personal needs or requirement, but for me this is more than enough. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, all black. I like it. I'm doing it opposite now. So I'm using different camera, my phone's camera. Ooh, and a cloth. Ooh, screen cleaning cloth with LG logo in there. Hopefully you can see that. Pretty nice. Can't even see it. So this is the phone. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So that's the phone, front and back. Feels good, round, thin. Let's open the wrap anyway. So let's see. Ooh. Just a basic wrap around, no screen protector. I like OnePlus phones. If you know what it is, it's OnePlus. I like those phones because they have screen protector, but now that phone has become very expensive, so I'm not doing that. I don't want it. So I want something decent, reasonable, something a normal person or poor guy like me can afford, and it's still pretty good. So full screen with a little drop here. I'll accept that. I don't mind. So let's see what we have on the phone. I'll look at the phone in a minute. Let's put it on the cloth. See what's inside. So I have the congratulations, enjoy peace of mind, blah blah blah. A welcome package, and this case here. What's inside? Okay, a booklet, a quick start guide. I don't know why they need a quick start guide. Maybe for the person who actually own it for the first time or some kind of warranty. Like, seriously, I don't read this. Maybe you do, good for you. And oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So a quick start guide is here, right here, and the pin. That's very important. The pin for me to put the SD card inside. Sorry, SIM card. Let's see, and then the charger. That's it. The wire, USB-C. This is the USB-C wire. Yeah, it's gone. So this is the USB-C wire. It said LG fast charge. So it's saying, oh, I can't see my camera, it's kind of bad. So it says LG fast charge. So this is, it claims to have fast charge and wireless charging, waterproof or resistance IP68. That is labeled on the Costco store package. So I will trust it. It is true, and it's way more better than a lot of my phone. All right, nice. Okay, pretty solid. A little bit thick and kind of long. Maybe some people like it. For me, I don't really like it. If you plug it in the wall, this might be too heavy. Some outlets are not that tight to plug in, so that's fine. Better than nothing. So here is the thing. And let's put this away. And now let's look at the phone. A little bit closer to the phone. So this is what the phone look like. Basic phone, full screen. There's a little edge here, Let's see if I can turn it on. So yeah, power is on. So it's going on now. LG G8x ThinQ. Nice. Powered by Android. So power button on the right side. There's no, there's two cameras, of course. Dual camera is actually flat, so I love it. Flat, nothing sticking out, nothing scratching. It's of course not the best camera, but it's two cameras. It will beat any single camera in the past, like 10 years ago. So for me, it's good. Just snap a shot. I'm not doing DSLR, artistic, professional photography, or video 4K. So not me. That's fine. HD, good enough, more than enough for me. The spec, I'm not sure 100%. But you can see, you can search it. I'll kind of place it in the description. On the side we have a power button and one more button. I've never used an LG phone, so Canada, English, accessibility, welcome. So it's actually telling me all this stuff. New second screen. Not sure what it is. I'll do the setup later, but right now. Let's continue looking at this is the I think SIM card slot, and let's open the SIM card slot. Let's see what's inside. Sometimes they can put in a micro SD, expandable storage. I thought I read that it has expanded storage, but up to 2 terabyte. Too expensive. Not doing that. 64 is what I might go. So here, yes, it is true. So inside, it is true. It has the nano SIM here and the micro SD here. So it's not dual SIM. So alright, now we know. Looks good. If you guys want to confirm if it's true, I only go by visually looking at this because I do not have the spec of everything. I'm not that professional. I only see the spec on Costco that says Snapdragon 855. 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gig of hard drive, a wireless charging, fast charge, water resistant IP68. This is all I need. Alright, camera, I don't think any company would be able to do a shit camera. Oh, excuse my language. A bad camera. So right now, any camera is good. I'm just taking picture of food. Vacation photos. That's all I need. So there's one more button on the bottom, in the middle. So they basically maybe you can set that up for something else. So we'll see. This is just unboxing. So it had headphone jack. Are you kidding me? It also has headphone jack and water resistant 68. My God, impressive. Oh, I love it. Yep, that's it. The rest, you can have fun with it. For me, you can actually go to Costco and play with this thing. They have this on display, so you can, like, they have a glass over it, so you can't steal the phone, but you can play with it. So enjoy that. But what's inside the box, what's not, I don't know. So now I know, and you know too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Put in a comment how I can do better. I don't mind at all. Thank you. I'll try to improve as much as possible. Love you guys. See you.